Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva. Today I'm going to be reviewing a wig and I already have my stocking cap prepped and ready to jump right into it. The wig I'm going to be reviewing today is from this company, Junoda, and this is my first time working with them, so we'll see how I like their hair. In the box I got this edge brush. I really like these, so I'm definitely grateful for this one. I also got this stocking cap. You know, I can't have too many of these. I use them with all my wig videos. With all that, they also send me these beautiful lashes. This is the bag that the hair came in, and I'm about to take it out so you guys could see what it looks like. This is the wig. It is a 4x4 curly lace wig and the length is 22 inches. It also has a strap on the inside, so my first thought was that I could wear this wig without even gluing it onto my head, and I was right. So since it's not pre-bleach, I'm going to go ahead and add some foundation on it so it could look as natural as it should. This is the foundation that I'm going to be using, and you could use any foundation of your choice. Now this is what it looks like, and this is what it should look like after I apply the foundation. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on, see what it looks like on me. So far it's looking good, as you can see, so I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off of it.
Time came and stole our hearts, and even after graduation we would drift apart. That was a while ago. I'm never happy, so I always think about you while I'm sitting eating Cheerios.
Now that I cut the lace off, I'm just doing a few adjustments to it to make it sit properly on my head. This area that I'm pointing at right now, I'm going to show you guys how to fix it to make it blend in with your wig. This is a question somebody had asked me before in a comment, so now I'm going to go right to how you could fix that. You want to get an eyeliner pencil the same color as the hair. Then you're going to rub it on there like so to get it from this whitish color and make it look dark, just like I'm doing right here. If your hair is a different color like orange or blonde or blue and you don't have that color in pencil, you could go ahead and use your eyeshadow. It will work the same way. Y'all, do you see how nicely the hair fits onto my scalp? And I didn't glue it down. I didn't use no got to be glue, free spray or anything like that on it. I could literally just leave it like that. But I'm going to go ahead and give myself a center part because you know me already. I love my center parts.
Those was the best days. High school went down on a Monday. In the hallway, saw you walking slow. Had to come and introduce myself. You knew me though, cause you was all up in my head. You knew you had me win. The only time in math class that I dared to touch you. Put on your shoulder though, and when the bell rang, it was over cause we had to go. After a couple months,
this is my spray bottle, y'all. I got it from Amazon and I really love it because it looks like a wine bottle. So it has water and some conditioner in it, maybe a little bit of oil, and I'm just gonna spray it on my hair just to give it some moisture and bring the curls back in.
I heard you happy though. I always think about you while I'm sitting eating Cheerios. Why did you go? You like a timeless cereal. All Cheerios. Take me back to our high
Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some curling cream onto it, but I really didn't need to do this. As you can see, I still have beautiful curls in my hair, but you know, sometimes you just wanna experiment with something a little bit, and I guess that's what I was doing here. The cream that I'm using is the Moisture Miracle Curling Cream, and I believe I found this either in Dollar General or Family Dollar, but it's one of those stores. I can't really remember off the top of my head which one it is. I also use my comb to comb through it, and the comb just glides through it like butter. This is how nice and soft the hair was after I sprayed the water on it and applied the cream. Now I'm applying some foundation onto the parting just to brighten it up a little bit and make it look a little bit more natural. Now I'm using my foam wrap lotion from BTL to lay my edges. This is something I also didn't need to do, but I felt like doing it, especially where I cut the lace off on the side. I feel like just doing a little bit of baby hair to cover that would make some sense.
Those was the best days. High school went down on a Monday. In the hallway, saw you walking slow. Had to come and introduce myself. You knew me though, cause you was all up in my head. You knew you had me win. The only time in math class that I dared to touch you. Put on your shoulder though, and when the bell rang,
I got my edges looking all the way cute, so now it's time for me to go do my makeup and show you guys the final look. This is it, y'all. I cannot deny it. I absolutely love it. I did use my fingers to fluff it a little bit and give it some volume, and this is the reason why it looks so full. Like, y'all, baby. The curls are beautiful. We cannot deny that either. It looks really beautiful from the back. You can see them curls popping. It's not too long. It's not too short. I think the length is just perfect. At least it's perfect for me. Sis, I'm gonna be honest, you are gonna love this hair. If you're looking for a wig that you can put on when you want, take it off when you want, then this is the wig for you. As a matter of fact, since I made this video, this wig has not left my side because I know that on the days when I don't feel like doing my hair, I know exactly what I'm gonna be grabbing and go about my business. I honestly did not put it back in the box because I want it to be available when I'm ready for it. Definitely make sure you head over to Junoda to order yourself one because I promise you, you're gonna love this wig. I will also leave all the information down in the description box, so definitely do check that out just in case you're interested. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!